Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about changes of jf-17 Thunder Block 3 Air Farm. First change, jf-17 Thunder Block 3 used has J20 head-up display that allows all kinds of information to be viewed on one screen. This is 5th generation head-up display and its use in F-35 and J-20 aircrafts. Second change in jf-17 Thunder Block 3 a night light for air-to-air refueling. Third change jf-17 Thunder Block 3 a missile approach warning system. Fourth change in jf-17 Thunder Block 3 seems the improved ground clearance. Fifth change jf-17 Thunder Block 3 wings area has been increased, so that's why no used the conformal fuel tanks and increase the hard points. Sixth change in jf-17 Thunder Block 3 remove the gap between back tail and engine. Eighth change in jf-17 Thunder Block 3 uses most composite material around 70 to 80%. Eighth change in jf-17 Block 3 missile warning system location has been changed. The system has been removed from the bottom of tail and installed to the tail head. Ninth change in jf-17 Block 3 increase the size of nose cone because install the AESA radar. 10th change in jf-17 Block 3 air intake size has been increased and new upgraded RD-93 engine has been installed. Engine power has been increased 79 kN to 98 kN and old engine power was 50 kN.